Hey, my name is Christian. I'm the owner of RJ Marketing, and in this video, I'm going to be going over what ranking factors Google looks at to rank your Google business profile and website in the search results. So this video is not going to be very specific on how to do each of the things we're going to talk about. It's kind of an overview on the things you're going to have to focus on, and I have some more very in-depth videos on my channel if you want to take a look at those. Okay, so to start out, we're going to take a look at the Google business profile. This is what actually shows up on the heat maps here and has a very local radius. So it's very important to have this well optimized and rankings well. If you make a search term for any local business, the top results are always going to be a map pack followed by some websites. So very important to have this done right. For the Google business profile, you want to have it well optimized in terms of search engine and in terms of customers actually seeing it and deciding to call you. So for the search engine, I have a video on my YouTube channel going very into depth about all of the different things you can do to the Google business profile and what you should do for them. I have things for the description, how you should handle the address, some hacks with the hours here, and then how you should fill out some of this other information. There's a lot of nuance that goes into here about kind of even picking your business category, how you should configure your products, and should you have any services even listed, should you let Google choose them. So reference that video, I'll have it pop up here around this time. But the other major thing besides your Google business profile is your website. So that's the same website that's linked here to the Google business profile. You want to have your homepage well optimized. Again, I'm gonna have some videos on this. You want to have the right title, description. We're kind of very specific about how we even do the headers. So I'm not going to go into too much detail. You also need to have your location service pages and the right structure. So if we take a look at even the keyword density for a page like this, we're able to see that our main keyword is Coleman, Alabama residential roofing. Our top keywords are residential, roofing, Coleman, Alabama. So that's just one thing. Again, I'm not going to go into details, but you need to have your location service pages well optimized, as well as having the right structure. So you want to have depth of content. You don't want to have a very shallow website. Now we move on to the second factor, which we like to call the off-page SEO. That's backlinks, citations, press releases, things of that nature. You need to be building these out. These affect your Google business profile, they affect your website, and you're not going to be ranking well without them. And as you're building out some of these backlinks and citations, you need to make sure they're getting indexed. So either use a crawler that you trust and have worked with, or use some other techniques to get some of this stuff indexed. But it's very important. If you're just building them out without getting them indexed, it's almost useless. And look, there's many ways to do off-page SEO. There's a big combination of it, of citations, of backlinks. We've even done some press releases for this specific client. So it's kind of not a one-size-fits-all, but I'm giving a general overview of the ranking factors you need to focus on. And kind of the third and last ranking factor is customer interactions. This is a pretty big deal. It can be hard to emulate if you're not working with a company that's able to do CTR services or review services. We offer that, but it can be hard in the beginning getting started. If you're getting no traffic, Google doesn't think your business is worthy of traffic, and you don't see a boost in rankings. So it can be very difficult and take quite a long time to at least get some of the beginning traffic coming in. That's where like CTR services really come in and help out a ton. So Google tracks customer interactions. They track what searches are done for specific keywords, how many of those people chose to click on your profile, and the relation of your business to the rankings. Are you getting more interactions than other businesses for your specific spot in the rankings? That's usually a good sign. Google wants to show the most relevant results, so you get a boost in rankings. And here's where kind of the component of having a Google business profile and website optimized for customer conversions comes in. Let's say you even make it to the 3-pack, but you have 14 reviews and your two other competitors have 70, 60, 80 reviews. Clients are likely going to be reaching out to those competitors simply due to their review number. This will show Google that you're getting a lot less interactions than them and that you're not as worthy of being up there, and you're going to see a drop in rankings if that's the case. So this can be very hard to see. It's all on the back end. It's almost a guessing game, but you need to stay on top of things such as reviews, pictures. There's review services out there. We can help you out with that, but it really needs to be up to you. That's the permanent solution. Implement a system to get reviews coming in, fresh pictures constantly added, maybe some videos, and stay on top of it, because you do not want to lose traffic after you're already getting it coming in. So these are the top 3 ranking factors. I want to emphasize that it's not just one or the other. It's a symbiotic combination of all of them. You need to stay on top of all 3 things to really rank well. It's more of a thorough understanding of the system that Google uses. So at our company, all we do is SEO. We have a very strong understanding of the system. We've been able to replicate our own system to rank businesses like yours for a long time, working with tons of businesses. If you want to see some client results, click here on our website, rjmarketing.agency/client results. Scroll through, you can be getting results like this: 109 calls for the month of April for a concrete company. You can listen into some of these leads. Here's some text exchanges between us and the owner. Again, some more rankings. We have some more lead examples down here below. So if you're interested, go to our website, client results. You can book a call, and either me or somebody from the team will be in touch with you.